Welcome to your math channel. Here, you learn math by solving exercises in a practical and straightforward way. Subscribe to the channel, leave a like, and comment on what you want to see in the next videos. Today, we're going to solve another exam question. First, we have to solve the exponentiation. 4 squared is 16. 16 over 5. 3 squared is 9, so we have minus 9. With subtraction involving fractions, we need to find the least common denominator here. Here, it's as if there's a denominator underneath. When there's nothing, it's like it's 1. So the GCD of 5 and 1 is 5. 5 divided by 5 is 1. 1 times 16, 16. 5 divided by 1 is 5. 5 times 9 is 45. So we have 16 minus 45 over 5. 16 minus 45 equals negative 29 over 5. Can we simplify? No. So, in this case, the correct answer is letter A. Negative 29 over 5. Quick and to the point. Subscribe to the channel, leave a like, and see you in the next video.